welcome to ITPK. Lately, I have seen the ton of anime style reels are blowing up on social media and getting millions of views with their amazing visuals and styles. These videos are doing so well and getting viral on all of the platforms because they look great and are super fun to watch and share. So I started searching and trying out different tools and techniques to create these anime style reels from scratch. After a few weeks of experimenting, I found out an awesome way to do it using free tools and results looks just as good as the popular ones. And the best part, it's completely copyright safe and since you are making your own unique animations, your content will stand out even more. Before proceeding, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to do 4 steps. The first, we are going to create an anime image and then we will convert it to captivating video. So to create an image, click the link in the video description and this will take you to this tool. Let's go ahead and you have few options here to sign in with your email. To make it easy, I will choose sign in with Google. Now this is loading my profile and getting me a login for free. It's asking me to pick up my username. Let's go. Now go to image creation. In the model and presets, please go ahead and select anime. Now go ahead and click here and select the ratio you want for your image. I'm going to select the mobile ratio. Add this ratio generate the reads that are compatible with most of the social platform. After doing a required selection, let's go ahead and close this and in the prompt section, please describe the image that you wanna create. For example, I wanna enter a samurai rests peacefully at the sunset. Let's go ahead and generate this. Now this tool has generated different perfect options for us to choose from and we could go ahead and download them one by one or even only one that we like the most. But these images looks quite generic. Now what if we want an image that is more attractive and looks more better than these images? For that we have to go to ChatGPT and provide a more detailed and perfect prompt to ChatGPT for our image generation. So I already have the well-written and perfect prompt to send it to ChatGPT and please note that I will add this well-written prompt in the video description with a Google Drive share link. So let's go ahead and send this prompt to ChatGPT. Now we have got a well-written prompt from ChatGPT. And not only that, you can see here ChatGPT also gave us to generate music based on the image prompt here. We will use this music prompt later in the video. For now, let's go ahead and pick up the prompt that we got from ChatGPT. Let's copy this. Let's go back to image creation and in the prompt section, let's paste the prompt that we have just generated from ChatGPT and click on generate. So you can see these images are looking more detailed and improved as compared to the old images that we have generated earlier. So let's say I want to use this image here. Just go ahead and download image. So once our image is ready, now we are on the step to convert that image into video. So to do that, just go ahead and click this link added in the video description and you will be taken to this website. And this is the tool that will allow you to transform still images into the video. To do that, please go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Once you are signed in, just go ahead and click on create video. And here, just make sure you have selected image to video. Let's go ahead and quickly select the image that we just have generated with the help of ChatGPT and we have downloaded it to our computer. Just select it to upload it here. Once you have uploaded your image, just go ahead and click here. And this will start converting your image to the video. Optimizing prompt in progress. Our image to video is generated. Now let's go ahead and see the results. Amazing. You can see here that our image is generated to a moving video. Now let's say we want to make it more attractive. For that, let's go back, ask ChatGPT to give me a short prompt. Okay, we have generated the second video as well, and this looks more interesting than the first one. The first one is showing just zoom in, and the second one is showing zoom out and also moving in the circle and showing water and the sun shining. Now we have transformed two images into the video. You can download these to your computer. Let's go ahead and download this. Now that we have our images converted to video, the next step we gonna do is to add them background music. So to add them background music, so just go ahead and click the link given in the description below and this will take you to this website. Now just go ahead and sign up with your Google account quickly. Now here we have to give our prompt to create the music, and as you know, we have already got the prompt from ChatGPT earlier to generate the music. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy that prompt. Now simply click on create. Now you can see this tool has generated two different sounds for us. Now let's go ahead and listen to the preview. Not bad. Let's go ahead and listen to the second one. Okay, now let's go ahead and download both of these because we have two videos generated from the images. Now we have done all the important steps for our reel from generating an image, converting image to video, and then getting the background music. Now it's time to edit the reel quickly. To do that, please go ahead and just click the link given in the video description and this will take you to this online editing tool. Let's go ahead and click on try for free. Now go ahead and click on create a new video that will start from scratch. Now here we need to import all our required file. Just go to import media. Now that is simple. Just go ahead and drag and drop your videos here. I've dragged and dropped both of the videos here and then in the add audio section, let's go ahead and drag and drop the audio. Let's zoom out it so that we can see which part needs to be removed or edited. Here we have a long audio. Just select your audio and we need to remove the remaining extra audio from here. Once you are here at your timeline, select the scissor icon. Go ahead and right click here and delete the remaining audio. Now let's zoom in timeline again. Let's go ahead and play this. Export this. Let's export this in 180p in high quality HD. Give it the location, name your video, and just go ahead and save it. Once downloaded, now let's go ahead and see the final results. Amazing. Perfect. Now you can go ahead and upload your very own reel on social media. All right. So this is how you can create anime reels. So now don't waste your time. Go ahead and get started. And with little creativity, you could be the next trendsetter in anime world. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.